Hey guys, Get Level here, and today we're going to be checking out the Tonor T20 accessory pack. Now this is a microphone accessory pack. Who is it made for? People who have bought microphones that come with a stand just because they said gamer and then they realized that their mouse movement plus their mechanical keyboard was making too much noise for something that's just sitting on the table and want to put it on an arm. It's also for people who have bought a chunky microphone and then realized that no typical universal arm can hold it and that they would need to buy the Rode mic arm that costs like 80 bucks. No, this pack is for you too. There are some pros and cons, but we're gonna get into that. Right now, let's get to the unboxing. So far, Tonor hasn't disappointed me. We're getting a pack with pretty much high quality accessories for a low price, for a very low price, surprisingly low price. They describe it as a microphone arm, but there's more in there. There's a mic beanie, there's an adapter, there's 4 Velcro wire ties, there's 1 dynamic mic holder, and there's the scissor arm, and then the table clamp. The adapter is 3/8 to 5/8. I don't know how you say that. It's just the standard stuff. The clamp is kind of special. You're gonna see it's kind of a bulky clamp because it actually has 38 centimeters cube of surface area, giving you a better grip on your table than the normal like 9 centimeter cube surface area ones. The strong scissor arm actually has 3 main rods, which is pretty different from the cheap scissor arms that you would find on eBay and stuff like that, which is literally what I'm using right now. But 3 main rods will give you extra strength, and I will demonstrate that later on. The whole thing is spring loaded so it never feels loose, and there are 2 adjustable knobs, one for the main arm and then one for the mic head. Now the scissor arm actually slides into that table clamp. It's a very snug fit. There's no fastener, there's no way to tighten it up, but it's so snug that it's not gonna be drifting. You can do a full 360-degree rotation with it, but it's not going anywhere without you wanting it to. And to make everything even better, something that I didn't even notice until I went to their website, the clamp actually has a headphones holder, making it even more practical than most other microphone arms. Alright, so on their website, they say that 1.8 kilos is the maximum weight that you want to put on it. I believe that is true for every position ever. But in certain positions, by tightening the knobs myself by hand, and not pushing too much, I was able to stack up to 4 kilos on it. I don't recommend you doing that. I believe some of the rubber was probably damaged by doing that. I kind of messed it up, but it was holding up to 3 kilos with no issues at all. And then when I put the 4th kilo one, that's where it started being like, hey, you probably shouldn't be doing that. Let me look up the chunkiest mic that I know of. The Blue Yeti, for example, is less than a kilo. Yeah, the mic itself is 0.55 kilos. So on their website, they show that you could put 3 Yetis. I say that you can put 6 Yetis on there. Don't put 6 Yetis on one mic stand. What's wrong with you? But anyways, I think this is kind of like the strongest mic arm that I've ever tested myself, that I've ever seen, because 4 kilos is a lot. I actually had to reshoot this whole product shoot because I lost the first footage and I already threw away some of the packaging, so I couldn't do a proper unboxing, but everything comes tightly packaged and it's great. The product quality is amazing. As usual, Tonor doesn't do anything that really feels cheap, so everything is up to par. The only con I would say about this pack is that there's so many people using condenser microphones that the standard dynamic microphone holder is I don't think that's something that we're mostly going to use, especially, well, for my audience. You guys are live streamers, so everyone has those kind of chunky microphones, and I don't think that little dynamic mic holder will help. So you're gonna have to buy your own shock mount if you want to have a shock mount. But since there's an adapter included in the pack, you can put whatever mic you want in there. I just wanted to have a shock mount too. But at this price, maybe I'm asking too much. It's already like so cheap. Anyways, there will be a link in the description if you want to buy this accessory pack. If you know any other people that could benefit from it, share this video with them. If they've been complaining that, oh, my mic arm cannot hold my mic. Well, unless your mic is 4 kilos, this one will hold it. I guarantee it. As usual, Tonor just sent me that product. They didn't ask me to give a positive review. All of my opinions in this video are mine. I'm not being paid to say anything. I'm not being paid at all, matter of fact. And I might, if everything clears out with the postal office and stuff like that, I might give this pack away at some point. If I'm gonna do that, I'm probably gonna announce it on Twitter. So go follow me on Twitter at @level_photo. And that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud, get level, out.